Hello, my name is Eugene and you are on Cryptocasing TV. It's been a long time. It's time to start talk about cryptocurrency again. Let's visit our most visitable site and talk about the price. Sunday, 24th of March 2019, per Bitcoin, 4,014 US dollars, 4,040. Here we go. And the market cap almost 140 billion, sorry. And I have two news for you. We're gonna talk today about Bitcoin prediction. There's one person. I found a nice article for you. And the second is this here. What happens, sorry. So in the CoinMarketCap 20 place Tezos project. What's going with this project on? Why? I'm gonna show you why. Not what's going on in the last 24 hours, but what's going on in the last 7 days. In the last 7 days, look at this, here we go. But more, like in the last 14 days, as I know, it's hit 70%. It has a bull run till 70%. That's a lot. So let's start with the first news. Let's start with the first article, I mean. Daily Huddle writes, they interviewed a person who is involved for a long time in cryptocurrency, Daniel Ameduri. Welcome, Daniel Ameduri. His prediction is that Bitcoin hits $400,000. Here we go, and around about 5 years. This self-made millionaire are handling a week of bold predictions on the future price of Bitcoin in a new interview with Forbes. Okay, self-made millionaire and president of Future Money Trends LLC. Future of Money Trends. This says a lot. Nice company name. So he starts or hears about the Bitcoin when the price was at $1. Then he hit a forum or conference. Yeah, here we go. I went to Cryptocurrency 2011 and there was probably 300 people. And that's for 2011. That's a lot, I will say. Where does this conference was located this time? We cannot find this information here, but anyway, I can recommend to read it all. Easy to read and easy to understand. Here we go. It's still very early in the building phase. I will say we are internet and email 1991. So where blockchain right now is like where internet being in 1991 or 92. Still very early for crypto. I will say we're right now at the same time, like his prediction is like in 5 years, my prediction is for 400,000. It's like in 5 years. It's on one side short time, but on another side it's a long time, because if we still know that Bitcoin is more than 10 years on the market, or since 10 years released, that's a long time. Trading View analyst Financial Survivalism is predicting the opposite. Okay, at least in the short term, the trader took the Twitter early this month to warn that the longer BTC trades in the 4,000 range, the more likely it will plummet down to as low as 800. So as I understand, the more we gonna hit the 4,000 line, the more chance to go down, to go to $800. I don't know, but I think maybe for the next year it's possible, but in my experience it's better for then, it's better for future than we go down right now, but raise more in the future. So nice prediction of this guy here. read it. I will put the link in the description. Let's go to another news. Let's go to the news where I was so excited and where I was shocked on another side, because Tezos, I will make another video why Tezos, what's Tezos, and why Tezos gonna take all the market, cryptocurrency market. Maybe it will be Tezos, but there's some few other projects, like I will not say them, maybe in another video for you, not maybe, I will do another video for you and tell about.
Tut mir leid, ich verstehe. Video von 100 meinem Album nun alle wiederholen an nicht.
Nee, jetzt brauchen wir dich nicht. Schöne Alexa. So Tezos, we know it's in the history the most raised ICO, initial coin offering. They raised in 2017 $232 million US. Like, there's lots of projects, they raised zero, Bitcoin raised zero, and come to the price of today, 4,000. This project raised 232 million. The price per once, you saw it. So let's say let's talk about the total supply. Yeah, it's 788 million, right? 788 million, and the price $70. And let's look at the chart here. That's why I want to talk about Tezos today. Let's first explain me what's Tezos. Tezos is a blockchain platform, and first line, what they released is they wanna do decentralized apps, and at second, what they improved in connecting to another blockchain project is that everything what gonna change on the platform, it's much more easier, and they do it via voting system. Before covering why Tezos price has risen so much in the last few days, it's important to look at the technology behind the coin. One of the fundamental problems with almost all of the cryptocurrencies today is that there is not an efficient way to implement upgrades. That's it. So there is no way on almost all projects, there is no way to make the projects better, to improve them on the easiest way. And they done a platform where it's much more easier with the vote. The problem with a hard fork is that it requires community consensus. If a portion of the miners do not agree with the upgrade, then, like we in Bitcoin see, may be split. What happened with Bitcoin Cash or in Bitcoin Cash? To mitigate this, Tezos has created a voting system where AB token holders can vote on upgrades to the blockchain. That's easy, and that's profitable for everyone. Okay, Tezos. At this point, I wish you good luck. So that's why Tezos is pumping. Okay. Yeah, and that was the reason. That was the reason why Tezos is pumping in, started in March 19, or I will say maybe here. There was a signal that they're gonna do the first vote on the platform, and then it started to rise. But now imagine what will happen when blockchain gonna introduce their first application, or popular, or when the application gonna be popular, what gonna happen to the price? So again, the total supply is, if you compare it with Bitcoin, is a lot, 788 million, but never mind. And what I want to say you, I don't know, I'm gonna put maybe the link also in the description, is that Tezos have a big announcement for any news. And Tezos has a big team, not around the world, but they are very hard with marketed in USA and Japanese, as I know, or in all this Chinese market. Look at this rise, just only of one info, of one announcement that Tezos got his first vote ever. Just only with this signal, it's raised for 70%. That's a lot. And we call it like Athene's, how do they call it? Athene vote or how? Welcome to Athens. Tezos completes historic first blockchain vote. Yeah, welcome to Athens. I don't know. The multi-million dollar blockchain Tezos has officially concluded its first round of voting for 2 completing system-wide upgrade proposals. There happened 2 competing voting for 2 competing system-wide upgrades, having raised a record fundraising amount of 232 million in an initial coin offering. Okay, it's the same. They're copying the same news. So what I wanted to know is, welcome. Athene. Why Athene? Can anybody tell me why Athene? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you believe in cryptocurrency, and in cryptocurrency we trust. Enjoy your day and smile more.